Hello, in Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make a crocheted scrunchie because it's just an easy beginner project. So let us start by making a single crochet on the hair tie. Then cover the entire surface of this hair tie with a single crochet. So easy. It is very easy to do. There is nothing to count or anything. I'm just doing single crochets on this black hair tie. The yarn I am using is Red Heart Super Saver, which is a basic acrylic yarn, and I am using a size 5 crochet hook. So just don't stretch the hair tie. You don't need to stretch, you just go loosely covering the hair tie with the single crochet. It's a very easy project, very beginner friendly. Single crochet is one of the basic stitches. Just yarn over hook, then yarn over, pull through both the loops, just like that. It's very versatile though. Then once it is covered enough, you can slip stitch. You can cut the yarn and just done with that. If you want just a small one, if you wanted to have a more fluffy one, you can do double crochet. So the first double crochet, instead of doing a double crochet, we make it chain 3. Then we can do, okay, I will show you one. Just yarn over, insert the hook in the same space, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops. So you can see it is in the same stitch. You can make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Again the next one. 1, 2, 3. Each single crochet you make 3 double crochet. Come to all the way up to here. Now you can see it is like curling. That's the beauty of it. Now I'm on the last single crochet. Just make 3 more double crochet, do 3, and now it's slip stitch to the top. See, that's it. I can cut the yarn, just yarn over, pull through, done with it. Now what you have to do is just hook it like this, then pull the yarn through a few more stitches, just like this, and pull it through here. See here, make it to the bit through this single crochet on the I guess you can see it here. Just push your needle there, get the yarn and pull it through, and to secure it we go through the next one here. Just like here. You can use a yarn needle. Just like this. One or two more single crochets through it. Yarn. Pull through the yarn. I didn't get it. Okay, here we go. Get it? Okay, here. Don't put it too tight. So just a little bit. It's, you can't see it. See? My hand is too big to go for 2 rounds, but it can go just like that on your hair. Yeah, here, here. See? I made one red, one yellow, and they cute. It won't take much time.